Hi, boys and girls. This is Sally Morse. I'm a district math coach for Henrico County Public Schools. Today, we are focusing on the basic fact strategy, counting on and counting back. I'm going to show you a series of pictures, and I want you to figure out how many cars are in the picture. You may want to hit pause after I show an image, or if you need more time to think or to discuss an idea. Ready? Let's begin. How many cars? How do you know? There are 7 cars. 5 cars are on the car carrier and 2 cars are next to it. We can use the counting on strategy by thinking aloud. 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2 more is 7. Counting on is a great strategy to use when we are adding or subtracting a small amount, such as 1, 2, or 3. How many cars? How did you know? There are 9 cars. 8 cars are on the car carrier, and 1 car is next to it. Think 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Let's try one more. How many cars? How do you know? There are 9 cars. 3 cars are next to the car carrier, and 6 cars are on the car carrier. Remember, when using the counting on strategy, we want to start with the greater number. Think 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. When might I use the counting on strategy? This is a helpful strategy to use when we are adding or subtracting a small amount, such as 1, 2, 3, or 0. Let's try some domino images to practice counting on. How many dots? How did you know? 9 and 2 more is 11. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. How many dots? How did you know? 8 and 1 more is 9. 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Tools that are helpful to use when counting on or counting back are number paths or number lines and hundreds charts. If I start on the number 5 and I want to count back 2, I can say 5, 4, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. We can extend this strategy to larger numbers. What is 29 minus 2? Start on 29 on our hundreds chart and count back 2. 28, 27. 29 minus 2 equals 27. Here's a game that you can play at home to practice counting on. For this game, you will need a deck of playing cards, a cup, and something to count with. I've got some small pebbles here, but you maybe have coins or small toys or cereal even. You want to separate your deck of cards into 2 piles. One pile is going to contain my numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the other is going to have my aces, which stand for 1s, 2s, and 3s. You want to pull out your jacks, your queens, your kings, and your jokers if you have them. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip over a card from the 4 through 10 stack. I flipped over a 7. I'm going to put 7 counters in my cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to flip over a card from your aces through 3 stack. I flipped over a 2. I'm going to set 2 counters next to the cup. So I have 7 counters in the cup and 2 counters next to the cup. I'm going to think 7, 8, 9. 7 and 2 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now, if you'd like, you can record number sentences such as these on a piece of paper. Counting on or counting back is a strategy we can use when we are adding or subtracting a small amount, such as 1, 2, or 3. Have fun practicing counting on as you play in the cup. Bye-bye.